This is how to prompt Manus AI. From your dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and you can see here New Task. Just click New Task and you will be sent to What Can I Do For You? So there is a rectangular text box right here, and put your prompt inside this text box. So let's write a prompt. For instance, explain quantum computing like I'm 12. So here is the explanation of Manus, and you can reply to this result, or you can choose these suggested follow-ups. So this is how to prompt Manus AI.